Very good morning from Maple Guest House. Good morning, Saurav.
Morning, Rahim.
So how is the morning time view?
I think today it's a totally clear view till now.
Clear blue sky. Yesterday we suffered a lot, but anyways, the day is gone. Fresh morning, fresh start, and a brand new fresh episode for you. Right now it is
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock in the morning. We are ready for our next adventure, that is Kongthong Village. So we are ready for the adventure. Let's explore Kongthong Village, and if you are lucky, we can interact with some locals as well. Let's see. सांगमदा नींद हुआ ना बढ़िया से. So where is the junction? We have to take right. Yesterday evening we were standing here and recording the video. From here it is around 25-26 kilometers and around 1 hour journey. Just see the landscape. It's breathtaking. Extreme Northeast India. And we have Marvin with us. We are still on the way. You can see here. Now this is Kongthong Road as per Google Map. But if you see, there is nothing. So even there are places Google Maps are not working. Sometimes you feel privileged. Those who are living in the big cities, you don't know any route, you don't know any roads. You just put it in Google Map and then just travel. So this road is also not very old, I will say. 2017 only this road was built, in which we are traveling now. But after Kongthong there are villages, but there is no proper road. You have to trek, you have to walk. We are about to reach 2 kilometers more maybe. Map is not working. So we have arrived Kongthong Village entry point. So this is the fare chart. Adult 100 rupees, and if you are filming something, so it is 1000 rupees for documentary and all.
So friends, me and Rohim are now in the Kongthong village and we are planned to talk with the villagers, locals, and we have our friend Marvin.
Hello. Actually Marvin is guiding us, and Marvin has talked with some of the local residents over here, and we'll try to know something about their culture. Yes.
Kamu kumne ngayo aki ruai yang ta ngayo sungo ngatel mangake nek kunta tang la ya wan no ke le no ke so like la de ke pol badeng yatre ngi surwai sungo tenan ngi ruai sungo oh kita kila wan tre kata kalung ngi ruai mo pulang.
So like she explained like this jingroyo bay they have kept their lovely song in their own child by their grandmom, grandfather long time back. So before now, this Kongthong village is like full forest area, jungle. So they don't have any road and all. So how they will like if they went to the field and all inside the forest because all broom fields over here in Kongthong village. So most of the grandmom, father and all, they put their own unique song in their son. So if they call them, they will put in another tone. Suppose my name is Marvin, so they will put in different tone of their own song, own name. And suppose if they go to the paddy field and all, they might get lost somewhere. So that is the tone they used to keep for them. But each tone they have unique tone for them for their own son or daughter. That's what she explained this count.
Okay. So, what is her name? Like her modern name.
Kia khot ni kong na.
Kongna. Oh, her name is Kongna.
So now Kongna is her modern name, right? So what is her whistling name now?
Okay. Ka jing rai jong yo wei jong pi pan.
So this is a very unique thing you have heard, no? It is the whistling village of India. She has her name, and this is the song.
She know by her own tune na that song.
Own tune, and everybody is having their own different tones.
All her son have their own.
Okay.
Tune.
So what is the tone you have given to her?
Thề.
That is she keep her song.
This is her name.
Hmm.
And what is her modern name?
Vô.
Yeah, same. The same one. Oh, you. Ruai saya kenian ruai kenian word.
Sing.
I sing. How ruai kenian word. You me TV.
Ra. Hát đó còn. Nó về. Nó về. Ông à vô. À vô. À vô.
Ông eh.
Ông tên này.
Sing.
Ông à vô. Ông à vô.
That is shortcut name now.
Shortcut.
This village before now is full forest. So most of them they went to that broom fields, especially broom field better known all over here. So if they carry along with this kid and all now, they might get because father and mother they already busy in their field. So this kid they will be staying. They gonna stay in one place whole day. So they roam here and there. So they use that tone especially because they don't like to call by their name again and again. So maybe with those grandfather na, they used to
So they get like we also get irritated if someone is calling by my name.
Yeah.
every time. So they made a beautiful way, like
yeah
a song.
like a song.
So what are the biggest festivals they celebrate here in Kongthong Village?
Okay. Sana don jingle niam you sana bon pula.
Thì đần. Hạ cà pơ bà puja. Thì đần cái tôi có một bánh sạt cùng lá xay. Một sạt lá xay hàng này snong. Mình ta cái sungai cái puja suwa cái duai suwa.
Dua piran.
Cái duai pirat cùng balong cái rêu temen mình suwa cái penek pensai kata.
Hangnya dan bunim Khasi. Total dan bunim Khasi am. You know, she said like most of the Kongthong village na, they are pure like not Catholic, no Presbyterian. It's there, but 99% of them they are like pure Khasi, the traditional way. So before the puja na, like tomorrow is puja, they need to prepare something, dance and all, prepare well, something to eat also.
Okay.
Yeah, pure traditional Khasi only.
Okay.
They believe in only one God, the one who created them.
Pang nadu na shalong nadu na khasi. Don cái don kam man thak khan ni kong thong ki wan thak lempat peleng de kum tu. À, còn khi lại bà xạ cả bọc cái nọ xếp mình cái pat ở cái đây cái sạch cái khăn cái vịt cái biang đây.
Ini đang khang kerum than đây. Than khang. Okay. Especially like there's one unique way. Okay, when you get sick, they don't prefer more to go to hospital. So that this the self belief of them just like but they used to use egg, then you know this chicken and all to cut the chicken to pray for them to pray for the sickness to go away. So that is the belief. Even from Shillong and all, they came here for in traditional way to pray for them. Yeah. You know like treating the sickness in a traditional way. They don't need any medicine, but they need only that prayer na. that prayer is still belief in them, that the traditional way.
Okay.
We used to
That
go,
is a very sacred prayer.
yeah, sacred prayer, but they call it Khan. Khan means it's a sacred prayer.
Okay. So if anyone dies, so what is the procedure they follow? They bury the body, they burn it, or so how they do?
Shani dah kelat beriu, yelek kumno gidan betang ne, gidan betap, gidan kentam kan.
Kini ki khasi bun ki batang. Ki khasi bun ki batang. Tang balong kum ta long. Song la ka jing ya pen bait la ka yang ka ye.
Lagi yang
Ta tang ba kham bun ki batang.
So she said like, because all here 99% of they are traditional main Khasi only. So most of them they born.
So as you told that the whistling culture is very older.
Yeah.
So do you think that the younger generation still follow this culture, or they are?
That's what she said. Even that this technology now is coming, right? She told me like technology should not wrap up this culture. All this generation, generation by generation, they need to practice this.
So what about their children? She wants them to go to town and work like in government or private sector, or she wants them to stay with her here and carry
Practice.
on the culture and
Traditional.
tradition of this Khasi, pure
Okay.
Khasi.
Kini ki ong ba? Rasa ken de la he kini kun mo. Pin le kono pin sha ki ban la chapo shalong trai ban pulai ban puthi ne.
Em kata petangi kwa ben yo jing nang jing start cha be kat lang kat balak kabol ka sam school tu no ba jing nang jing start.
Sha ki da sa shalong da ki klat no pa de ka jing long terai pan.
Em kat manang kia nang kan mau ka tin pas neng hi kai ke me pa na jing ta biang hi ki la hi adu mentar ke balik cha pok kata kha lek pule ya katin la jong jing wai la jong kim klet
Okay.
kim klet.
She told me like, as generation na these days, education is a must. So even she allowed them to go to city, but the main thing, they should not forget their own blood, own tradition, livelihood over here na. Main purpose is broom, then bay leaves, then that black sesame. But the main, I think, more market, I think broom, because you can see na.
Ha. Pira thet sana ya la. Đi thả.
Thak. So you just called by his name.
Yeah. Ta em kerting tu, kau yo bay chung ne.
Ê ôn này cái nạ ba bài mình ta. Ô bà sư Phật. Pira thet sana la. Ta tem này.
Okay. Someone chipang ha.
So we'll not disturb ma'am so much. And one last thing I want to ask. Though they are very limited resources, right now what they want from the government to do anything for their development?
Nakaliang jeng pi mo kum pi kan chimat marway nakaliang jeng sarkar kwa ayu nak sarkar bahkan lai ka sinang jeng pi bahkan ban pinyo kum ka development lane ban lai na patak sinong kan
Hay ya ka babaha ni kwa bisa. Ay kata. Tang balong kum ta mangai la de ta. Balong ka kam ka lain tho puli kam danang bahat ngam nang
long ka
ta.
ia ka roy kapal teh
Ya ka roi kapal ki jing subu no don kam ka school ka bakam ha kam he nang tas ka ka sumal ka su tenat kata ka bakam kongsan kam kongsan.
from her side like I think education they need a proper school na as for now they have the normal school ni maybe hadu kan kelas lah dan ketek school
Kelas 8.
class 8 yeah that school till 8 only so maybe
So then they have to shift to Shillong.
yeah
Majority. Okay.
have shift hang have shift na siya em chicken da pas class 8
Hap lek pasya silong. Hap lek ha don ki balik suel don ki balik silong balik sora. Kat bahuyo hukot ki kumek
see like most of them they shift outskirt only but those who are poor I can say poor then only in Sora but those who are a bit rich then direct to Shillong so from her side like the government should do something for education especially
So they need a good school here.
Good school only.
itself, So they can carry on till 12.
yeah till 12
Okay.
Thank you.
once you get the food then she
Yes,
Good
yes.
enough.
Thank you.
Kublai.
Thank you.
Kublai.
Hey, thank you.
We just wanted to show the rich culture of this traditional Khasi people. We belong to all different religions, that is okay. But between these religious practices, we forget to worship Mother Nature.
Yes.
According to them, they give the priority to the creator of the universe and also the nature. So if you worship nature, if you love nature, she will give you back. Otherwise, you can see right now what is happening. Floods, there are floods in different mountain states right now, in every monsoon time. So preserve nature, plant trees as much as you can. And also, if this video is reaching their demand, or of course her demand was to make a school till higher secondary, that means 12th. Right now they have till 8. So yes, if that proper authority this video, small video is going, please make some arrangements till higher secondary.
I wish, I think our wish could be fulfilled one
Yes,
day.
true. So this will be the living root bridge. Trek starts from here. Okay, just show me the routes, okay? Yeah. So Marvin, this is the only church?
Yeah.
This is the only church for Kongthong village. It's good. It's very beautiful.
From here, the trekking.
Okay. So, so I was telling about the root bridge trekking. So this is the route, right?
This is the way. This is the only.
This is the way. Okay.
They are down.
Downside, signboard will be there. Okay. So don't miss, if anywhere you are coming and staying in Kongthong village, don't forget to do the trek. So friends, our Kongthong village is done. I think we have shown you enough to get an idea about Kongthong village or the whistling village of India. So yeah, we also gained so many things, honesty and the unity among the people.
They are very cordial.
They are very cordial, they are very honest, and we the people from plainland should learn something from them. So thank you so much. Now we are heading back to our guest house, Maple. So see you there. Bye.